How to remove all saved posts on Instagram. So if you want to remove all saved posts on your Instagram, then start by opening your application at first. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After opening, now you just need simply go with the profile, which is on the bottom right, and then go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. And now you need to go with the saved section. Here you will have all of the posts that you've saved, including your photos, videos, reels, and all of that, or any collection that you've created. Now, to unsave a post, what you can do is tap on the post that you would like to unsave. Now here on the bottom right, you will have unsave option. Tap on it and tap on unsave, and that's it. Now scroll down again and go with unsave. Scroll down again and go with unsave. So you'll need to manually unsave each post for now. Once you're finished, go back to the saved section and you'll see that you don't have any post because you've removed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.